Hey guys, I'm Lauren, and I wanted to share my experience with Audifort, a natural tinnitus relief supplement that I've been using for the past few weeks. I originally got it because I was dealing with some occasional ear ringing and mental fog, especially in the evenings, and a friend recommended I try something more natural instead of just masking the issue. I've been taking Audifort daily, just one dropper in the morning and another before lunch, usually under the tongue or in a bit of tea. I love that it's not a pill and that the formula is made with pure plant-based ingredients. What really surprised me is how quickly I started noticing results. Within about a week, the ringing was less noticeable, and by the second week, I was feeling more mentally clear and focused. Even my sleep has improved. The best part? No side effects. It's super gentle, and I feel really good knowing it's made in the US with quality ingredients. I also made sure to order directly from their official website since I'd heard there are some knockoff versions out there. To avoid that, I placed original website link in comments. So yeah, if you've been struggling with tinnitus or just want to support your hearing and mental clarity in a natural way, I honestly recommend giving Audifort a try. It's worked really well for me so far, and with their 90-day money-back guarantee, you've got nothing to lose. Thank you guys. Have a healthy life.